court has granted 2-day police custody for 3 men linked to the pro-Pakistan allegedly slogans inside the Vidhan Sauda. Despite the police request for a 3-day extension of the custody, the judge ruled for a 2-day custody. The accused are required to be produced by the evening of the 6th of March. Now, just to give you a background, 3 people were arrested for raising allegedly pro-Pakistan slogans. Now, while the Congress party said that's not true at all, they were just shouting slogans for their local neta. However, BJP jumped in to call it anti-national. In Karnataka Assembly, there were visuals and videos that went viral where allegedly pro-Pakistan or Pakistan Zindabad slogans appeared to have been chanted. Nagarjun Dwarkanath joins me this morning for the latest on that. Nagarjun, this had become a huge political showdown, but 3 arrests have taken place. As to what the cops are saying presently, what exactly happened, and clearly the BJP and more are gunning for it. There's some FSL report also that surfaced?
Well, the FSL report has been submitted as per our sources, but it's not been made public.
Okay.
As of yesterday, 3 arrests have been made, and the police have got 2-day police custody when they produced the accused to the court. And these 3 allegedly shouted the pro-Pak slogans inside the Vidhan Sauda premises. And one of them had also a photo with the Rajya Sabha member Nazir Hussain.
Yes.
The BJP is saying that we told you so, but the government is saying it is circumstantial evidence. Let the court decide what is to happen. But all of us have been waiting for the FSL report. But sources to India Today from the forensic department have confirmed that 2 of them did shout pro-Pakistan slogans in Vidhan Sauda on the day of Rajya Sabha elections.
All right, Nagarjun Dwarkanath will be tracking the latest on that. Remember, this does not reflect well on specifically the ruling Congress because initially they tried to deny and they said it appeared they were just shouting for Nasir Hussain. But now with the BJP jumping on this and arrests taking place, investigations will reveal further on this case. Nagarjun, thank you very much for that. So has there been possibly a big breakthrough in this case? Were there really pro-Pakistan sloganeering being done in Vidhan Sauda in Karnataka? Now, Karnataka police arrested 3 accused based on an FSL report and some circumstantial evidence. There was, remember, after the Congress victory in Rajya Sabha elections on 27th February, some sloganeering were heard, and with the visuals that went viral, it appeared they were shouting Pakistan Zindabad slogan in the Vidhan Sauda. There is an FSL team that has concluded the investigation. While the report is still not released by the agencies yet, an image of one of the accused surfaced. He can be seen with Congress's newly elected Rajya Sabha MP Nasir Hussain. Now, BJP jumped in, going all guns blazing against the Siddaramaiah government, demanding Nasir Hussain's resignation as well. The Saffron Party is claiming that this is treason and must be charged under the UAPA. This, of course, has become a huge political communal issue there in Karnataka.
उन्हें वैसा बोले तो तुम्हें क्या करते? वैसा नहीं तुम्हारा भैया.
Whatever the FSL report comes out with, if it's been proven, we will take stringent action against them as per law. There's no trying to protect anyone. And such anti-national elements who were have slogans for pro-Pakistan, such people are not needed to be in India. They can go back to Pakistan.
So take a look at this report of what precisely happened in Karnataka. Were there pro-Pakistan slogans? And how did Nasir Hussain's image come into this, who is now a newly elected member of parliament? Take a look.
After forensic report confirmed that pro-Pakistan slogans were raised in the Karnataka Assembly, Bengaluru police has cracked down the suspects. The police have arrested 3 accused from 3 different locations. Accused number 1, Mohammad Shafi, was arrested from Haveri district in Karnataka. Accused number 2, Munawwar, was arrested from Bengaluru. And 3rd accused, Iltiyaz, was arrested from Delhi. The police claimed that the arrests were made based on forensic report, circumstantial evidence and statement of witnesses.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
One of the accused, Mohammad Shafi, was also seen with newly elected Rajya Sabha MP Nasir Hussain, and an image of the two has also emerged. Accused Shafi claims that he was raising Nasir Sahab Zindabad slogans.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾಸಿರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವೇಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಗೆಲುವು ಸಾಧಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೈಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಾಸಿರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್, ನಾಸಿರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಜಯವಾಗ್ಲಿ, ನಾಸಿರ್ ಖಾನ್ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಆರೋಪಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆರೋಪಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಈ ತರ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೂ ಸ್ಲೋಗನಿಗೆ ಜೈಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ತರ ನಾನು ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
The Karnataka BJP has sought MP Nasir Hussein's resignation immediately and wants the Congress to be probed under UAPA. Bureau Report, India Today.